Encountering a non-working default password on your Lorex NVR is a common issue, especially given the increased security measures in place as of 2025. If you're using an older model from before 2023, the default credentials like username admin and password admin might still be applicable, but they often fail due to firmware updates, IP conflicts, or network resets. Newer Lorex NVRs, like the DHI NVR models, now ship with randomized default passwords found on the device or via a QR code in the app, rendering traditional defaults obsolete. To troubleshoot, start by power cycling the NVR. Simply unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Then, attempt to log in via the web portal, which is typically accessible through the IP address 192.168.1.108. If this doesn't work, proceed to the next section on password reset and recovery methods. If the default password isn't working, resetting your admin password is the next step. First, try a hard reset by using a paperclip to press and hold the reset button on the NVR for 10 to 15 seconds. This restores factory settings and potentially the default credentials. Consult your user manual for model-specific instructions. Next, check if you can recover the password through the Lorex app or PC software using the Forgot Password feature, which sends a reset link to your registered email. As a last resort, update the NVR's firmware by downloading the latest version from the Lorex website and applying it via USB or network. It is important to change the default password to a strong, unique password with 12+ characters and symbols once you regain access. Enable WPA3 encryption and use a VPN for remote access to prevent security vulnerabilities.